Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the questions that arise also from viewer email is about the hardware video acceleration and software video accelerations in the browsers. So when you actually use a browser to view videos online, of course, video codecs are involved. So that means that you get tons of different formats that could actually be used. You could, of course, wonder what video codec is used in a specific system or specific site. And the question also is, can I check if my browser is using the best hardware compression or software compression acceleration for the video formats that I watch? So you can't really see what video compression or video format it's using when you're watching a video. But by default, your browser will always want to try to use the latest, most compressed way of viewing online videos. And the reason why, first of all, is because of bandwidth on the internet and bandwidth on the user's end also. Of course, if you can compress more, you use less data. It's good for the internet access. It might be good also for the playback. But remember, there's all sorts of caveats in there. For example, if you compress more and use more hardware compression and acceleration, you can, yes, lower the amount of data coming from the internet. Higher compression might sometimes mean less image quality. Compression is not always a good thing. It's a good thing for the amount of data being sent, but it's not necessarily a good thing for, the quality of the image as you're watching. And you see this on HD TVs. When you don't pay too high of a price on an HD TV, you might see that 4K isn't truly the best 4K. That's why there's price ranges in smart TVs, for example. The hardware acceleration is also dependent not only on the browser. It depends on the website that you're going to watch videos on. One of the biggest problems with that is that a lot of websites will default your browser to something specific. Not every website also have the latest compression or the latest codecs to watch videos. So your browser will default to whatever it needs to default to watch what you're actually looking at on videos in websites, but there's no real way to see. Well, there's probably, but not an easy way, anyways, to see what compression or anything. Think about your browser is if you keep updating your browser, it has always the latest codecs and will always try to use the latest codecs and the best compression and hardware acceleration possible. And it can't always, because websites sometimes default to something else. There's also a lot of that going on with your internet speed. If, for example, your internet speed would be a little slow for some reason, it might default to a different codec to try to get you to still continue watching something. But the other thing also about it is your hardware. If your computer's old, a lot of the newest hardware acceleration isn't used because your computer can't really, check it out. Can't really use it because there's no hardware, maybe no hardware acceleration that it can use, or because your PC is slow, will default to something that will be the less dependent on the resources of your machine. So there's a lot of things going on in there, and there's really nothing you can check or do. It's pretty much done automatically by the browser and by the website that you're watching videos on. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.